This is the definition of the best club in the world. This is the definition of the best club in the world. This is the definition of the best club in the world. I said it so many times. I said it so many times that Arsenal is the best team in the world. Some of the people saying, no, not Arsenal, that Bayern Munich is the best club in the world. And I told them that the Bayern Munich you are talking about, I was the one that beat them. They were beaten by Arsenal, this same Arsenal that we are talking about. So for you to call Bayern Munich the best club in the world, you are mistaken. So the only best club in the world is Arsenal. Come on, you got it. Come on, you got it. So I told you guys that there's no club in the world that Arsenal is coming to play again, whether they are coming to your own pitch or you are coming to them at the Emirates, your mind no go rest that you are playing against the best team in the world. Nobody will stop us. Nobody, I repeat, nobody will stop Arsenal. You see, this Champions League trophy, we are winning it. Premier League trophy, we are winning it. Carabao Cup trophy, we are winning it. FA Cup trophy, we are winning it. Look out, look at this player. Look at them. Look at this player. Are they joking? Are they smiling? No. They are looking for trophies that were lost in Premier League was lost in 2003, 2004. Arsenal is still looking for it. Champions League was lost in 2006. Arsenal is still looking for it. This season, and see where I'm at. That is it. Guys, bye for now.